Let's take a look at this IKEA tablet stand. Costs around 169 rupees or $2 or so. That's the shape of it. That's the name and the designer's name. Below you can see the measurements. From the picture you can see that it can be used a couple of different ways. That's how it looks from side on. You can either lay it flat on this surface or put it in a steep angle, and these curves hold the device. It's made in China. This is how you use it. It holds them at a perfect angle for watching or even doing some typing. You can have it in both orientations. This should work with any size tablet or a phone. You can also have them in this angle. It's a really simple stand, but quite handy, quite nice. Check it out.